As Ben Raine comes in round the wicket to the left-handed Lategan, who is taken on the pad. There's a big shout for LBW, but it's appeared to be going down the leg side from where we're sitting. In 2 balls left in the over, bowls, and Libby has got runs here, 4 of them, down to third man off the edge.
I think that was Somerset actually rather than Sussex. And we've got a wicket. That one was rising.
He's in again and bowls, and Libby is this time out. Caught at slip. Academy, of course. Gets a run here as he clips this one away. Gets 4 in fact as Ben Raine errs into the pads. Passed umpire Hassan Adnan bowls. That's the worst ball he's bowled today. Short of a length outside off stump, and Kashif Ali in his 3rd game. This is down the leg side again, and there's 4 more runs for Kashif. Just flicked away. Just pushing forward, bat and pad. It's lobbed up in the air. Ooh, Robinson bowls. Kashif throws the hands at that. Good pace from the young man. And bowls, and this is beautifully played off the back foot by Kashif Ali.
Robinson to Ali. He's given that a bit of width, and he's out as he's clattered that straight to Graham Clark in the covers.
And bowl short to Adam Hose. That's a real loosener, and Hose says thank you very much. Short and wide sort of path, yeah. That's a lovely shot from Adam Hose. Beats a diving fielder at extra cover. First bad ball. Make that 64 for 4 as a short one from Aldridge is smashed away. Went past the back quite a few times. Aldridge bowls. That's loose, short and wide. And D'Oliveira doesn't miss out. He cuts it. Always helps. Aldridge in bowls, and D'Oliveira gets runs down to third man. Probably going to be 4 of them. It is. Aldridge bowls. Hose clips this away on the leg side. That will go all the way for 4. Half volley on the leg stump.
Stokes bowls. Hose turns that defiant leg. Parkinson's around there, but he's not going to be able to cut it off. He's fielding in front of the hotel. It's gone for 4. Stokes comes in. Hose jabs his bat down on a Yorker length ball, and that is lunch. 93 for 4 after 28 overs.
And it happened again and again and again.
Hose waits for Robinson. Lovely clip through mid-wicket. That will be 4. Timed really sweetly. Poor delivery really from Robinson. Nothing more than a...
He's in. Bowls. And D'Oliveira is fortunate here. He's got 4 off the edge, all along the ground.
Aldridge again. Hose pulls hard out through deep mid-wicket. That's 4. It's gone all the way to the riverbank.
Short and wide. It's the one Hose has been waiting for, and he absolutely lashes it.
Bowls. Hose gets on top of a short one, guides it behind the stumps, and for 4. Just played it nicely. Durham haven't played at Stockton since 2006 as next over is bowled by Aldridge and stopped off the bat of Hose by Lees at mid-wicket. It bounces off him, and that gets Hose to his 50. As Aldridge bowls, that's carved nicely past gully by D'Oliveira for 4. In past the stumps and bowls, and the ball is driven by Hose, over pitched. Just moved back into his crease around about leg stump, gave himself a little bit. Aldridge into Hose, who lets go with that one. Big opening of the arms and the chest there to give himself a bit of space.
As it's fielded by Luke Robinson. Cool, this next one from Parkinson bounces. And here is Parkinson. He bowls, and D'Oliveira is forward. Pushes defensively into the covers, fielded by Graham Clark, who, despite the gloom, is, along with Ben McKinney, wearing a sun hat out there.
Wicket.
Stokes has got him. Well, but he'll wish they hadn't come back out. Rain in again, bowls, and D'Oliveira edges down to third man. Will it go all the way? Yes, it will go all the way. So 4 more. Rain again, bowls. D'Oliveira's out. LBW. Ben Raine picks up his 3rd.
Stokes comes in. That's flicked down the leg side. Keeper couldn't get across to it. 4 runs for Waite. So he's off the mark. 5th ball. 162 for 6 here. Stokes bowls. It's a short one. Pulled out at mid-wicket. and that's 4 runs.
The Minor Counties cricket title. 4 runs to Brooks here. Full length delivery from Stokes, outside edge, and you may well be. I hope you're well and your boy's doing okay, although this one is a little bit short and wide, and Matthew Waite capitalises. Robinson again short. That's the loose one that Waite was looking for. That's what I mean, these two do offer the odd opportunity to.
Aldridge bowls. Oh, that's a wicket, and Waite's chased one goal flying past as well as Aldridge comes in, bowls. That's a drive, and it's a thick edge, and it races off down towards third man. Clark chases it from
Robinson in, bowls to him, and he drives very sweetly, nicely, easily the best shot that he's played, and that's a half volley which has gone all the way. 1 for 44, make that 1 for 45 because Taylor's just taken a single off the last ball of the day. He'll keep the strike. It's the end of the day. Worcestershire have recovered somewhat. These two have added 20 for the 8th wicket.